I'm a survivor.
MTYE music.
Staring at Chief. I'm still here. Adolf 2018.
Amanda, this song didn't think sa brand this Adolf from this song. Don't with one assistant in Antonia Adzina or Adolf.
Yeah.
The producer to down it of volunteer on Tusa studio at least in the night with M2E records.
Yeah.
So Tingo for Tingo spend as a car. Yeah, they not to spend a shinga changa with.
Yeah.
So Tingo Tangana challenges unless the woman comes to show and go to Askara.
Okay.
Yeah.
Askara yopa. So muti wanangandela.
Album is going on cars on the Zwanga. It's 0714265991 or via Winisa iSalon Canada GP photography.
I don't know if album is going to guy at all.
Album for the guy.
Sure.
But then it's 071
Yeah.
4265
Yeah.
991.
So right now, I'm going to go camera, the music videos, you know, so.
Album is steering do shoot for I think 3 tracks so far. Dina steering international shoot you watching on YouTube with Adolf Mr. Twendo steering. Dina camera many anga pandi Winisa. Sweet boy adwaba dresser anga food. Then I got my niggas dina nepere na pomrao na King Love.
Yeah.
Right. Assistant
because one. Yeah. So on the one. I mean, let's talk with this. I know that Adolf because it's part of the game. It's this and that and that. It's part of the game. Is it a part of where it's not a meaning? It's personal. I don't like you. Can I we're doing it for music. After all, this we keep it right there. What is it?
No, whether we vendor, it doesn't matter. We gotta keep hip hop alive, isn't it? So already beef in a decision hip hop. I don't know use exclude the vendor. Then and so far the foreign don't know this our true food.
Yeah.
Only two in Jesus personal.
Okay.
The rest no, I'm just playing with them. Because we feel this is hip hop.
Alright. Album you the Vandas no sinaga tushumanazo.
Yeah, so far sa manager futhi na owner recording label and artists zanga zenda kushumanazo.
Sure.
Like now I got Toxic T, na Transformer, na Bobby, na King Love, I got DGM. In our arena that is almost over 20.
Yeah.
So the
manager artists are over like 20 artists.
Yes.
I mean, how do you get the time to manage 50 artists?
Right.
Yeah. So what was did you mean to inspire the tribute to Congo?
It's an obvious fact theory. I was dating Humbu.
Yeah.
Back then, so I had to okay. Do not express things zangana kukunuri.
Yeah. So I understand. Like I didn't know that you were dating Humbu.
Oh yeah.
But you get now? Are you good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Alright, Bishop. So this is Adolf. Let's talk about how much Lokoma 90 interactions, social media, so on and so on.
Yeah, it's Facebook.
Yeah.
Adolf, Mr. Toyando.
Mr. Toyando, Mr. Muleta, now you came to Mr. Toyando.
Yeah, man.
Next to the Mr.
When they did the Mr. Toyando, I'm the most talked about rapper upon the car industry around here.
Yeah.
So the Filori, they got you
Yeah.
Yeah. Then I was on it then. The got more unchallenged than the four comes. But then the door comes in the panda are the future comes. But then on Instagram it's Adolf.Mr.Toyando.
Yeah,
the Instagram and Facebook.
Alright. So can I see album naturally is now let's say distribute.
I don't know this album request by Tori Itambora doing and there with Dangai, but then it's not similar and then now Kufunangai. The good you're playing that you playing my music.
Yeah, we do all the time. All the time.
That's the one good was. But then when it comes to Chimlang in there, so single the challenge Maranangwe, Zora Nango time boy. Uri like right now I feel like what comes to Kishakono or print out to come see 1,000 copies.
Yeah.
That one to job comes 500 and another 500.
Yeah.
But then those who are balance and Aranazmin, Sylvester, see, but we're not going to sponsor and I mean we're doing this on our own.
Chedina what the watching the Adolf so zin.
Nothing much in the Sokoda Adolf in the story.
Adolf in the story.
Yeah.
The what is
that's a Zadolf Vambra from 2006.
Yeah.
Ushika Jane.
Yeah.
I've seen a lot of rappers downfalls that have on our side. but now I've been there and ndiko elevator now ndiko computer na vhathu vha dzhino zwino zwiakonḓa ezwo zwithu na tshine ndi steering ngauri ndo thoma mathomo na zwino magumo ndi kha ḓivha hone
ika movie ni tea achieve all right reverse langazi your 2 songs that you want us to wrap up the interview with today.
We can play Humbu number 5. Yeah.
All right, Kezo, Humbu, track number 5 on Adolf's album
featuring Bamba.
Una 13 songs of the Simbezori iwana na ngapi ninga chwa boleche drop pesa zura album iko na ngapi
album iko na kadna.
Yep,
it's undelivered 071 4265 991 kana Winisa iCut kana GP Graphics.
Kezo,
yeah,
thank you very much for your time, man. And then tamina mashubi ngo vela panda kamzika ni tamani chivarel 9 niriri rekodoranga kana ngado of Kalapena.
Yeah, kore was brother.
Hey, tada, the steering Wimbo Humbu is track number 5 on the album. Hoping you guys you're gonna enjoy this one. And I was